should probably wait till tomorrow.
We'll wait for tomorrow.
Wait for tomorrow.
But what else is in there?
But there's some other things.
Oh, cool.
Oh, neat. She said she was sending you an alphabet book.
Open it. Hello, hello, Daddy. Open pennies.
What else is there? What is this? Ooh, wheat thins. Honey mustard wheat thins. What do you want to tell Mama and Papa?
Thank you, Mama, Papa.
And Chloe?
Thank you, Chloe, too.
Look, she got you colors.
Ooh.
Neat. What do you think, Asa?
Elisha need to open this one.
You think Elisha needs to open that?
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to eat some right now?
Yes.
Nom, 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 nom.
I know.
Good stuff. Do you like them?
Num.